Hello everyone, welcome to the Navodaya Nation channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about mirror image related mental ability questions. Let us move on to the question and answer section. So in this question, as you can see, mirror is placed on the right hand side of the question figure. So use the tricks and tracks of mirror image, like the right hand side object should appear on the left hand side and left hand side things appear on the right hand side. Okay. So here I am drawing a square. Okay. So as this is pointing towards the right hand side of the square. Okay. So I am roughly drawing. Okay. So it should appear on the left hand side like this. Okay. I am not exactly drawing the leaf, but just drawing roughly. So this thing arrow is pointing towards the right hand side. Okay. It should point towards the left hand side in the mirror. Okay. So it should be something like this. All right. So another thing, this circle appearing on the left hand side of the rectangle. If you think this is one of the rectangle, all right. So it is appearing on the left hand side of the rectangle. So it should appear on the right hand side of the rectangle in the mirror image, right? So it should be something like this. All right. So if you see like this, so the arrow will be something like this, right? The figure which is matching this is the right answer. Okay. So as you can see here, this is wrong and this is also wrong and this is closely appearing similar here. So the D is totally wrong. Okay. So the figure which is matching the mirror image is C is the right answer. Okay. Let us move on to the next section. So in this question number 2, if you see this is as two rectangle. So this is the right side and this is left side. So the this pointing towards the right hand side of the corner. So in mirror image it should point and this complete thing appears should appear in the left hand side and it should point towards the left hand side of the corner. Okay. So currently it is on right hand side and it should appear on the left side, right? So here, as you can see, if we draw a rectangle here, so it is exactly pointing towards the left hand side, right? So again, this part is on the left hand side, right? This below part, it should appear on the right hand side, right? So as you can see, C is exactly matching. So B and D are totally wrong, and E is also totally wrong because here just three hearts are there. Here four hearts are there. So it is totally wrong. Right? C is exactly matching. Let us move on to the next question. So in question number 3, a mirror is placed on the right side of the image. Okay. First, in any mirror image related question, we have to see where is the mirror. That matters a lot because mirror when it is placed on the right side of the image, in that case, right and left side objects are interchanged. Okay. In case of letter, the letters which are appearing on the letter which is appearing on the last will appear on the first, or which is nearer to the mirror image, it will appear on the first. Okay. So here N. Let us try to write N. So here this diagonal changed to opposite diagonal. Okay, O remains unchanged as usual, right? K, let us try to draw K. So this is on right side, so it should appear like this on the left side. Okay, this part, right? Whichever figure matching this will be the right answer. So here as you can see, N O O K. B is exactly matching. Alright. So here C is here K is not matching to the mirror image, right? Alright, D is completely wrong and A is also completely wrong because this is only N as usual. So it is not this diagonal not changed to this one. Okay. So let us move on to the next question. So in question number 4, mirror is placed on the right hand side. So this question looks like very complex, but let us make it easy. So here the P whatever written it should appear like this in image. Okay. So this part it appears like this. Okay. P appears to be like this. Okay, so this type of figures, matching figures will be only A and B. So these two are wrong. Okay, all right. So let us focus on only A and B, right? So dot is there, and here it is a plus. Okay, let us focus on this part, cross. Okay, so here cross appears on the last. So it should appear on the first in mirror image, right? So here in A it is appearing on the first. Okay. And this plus appearing on the first should appear on the last. So it is matching. But in case of B it is not matching, right? So again here R is on right hand side. So it should appear on left hand side and it is mirror image of the R is correct. Also K is on left hand side. So it should appear on the right hand side. Okay. So K is matching on the mirror image. Okay. So A is exactly matching to the mirror image, right? So let us move on to the next question. So here in this section, we provided answer keys. Kindly compare your answers. Thank you for watching.